Welcome to our new science labs.
The new facilities encourage the students to see themselves as capable and responsible scientists in the modern world. The refurbishment of these labs is a strong commitment on the part of the Hills Grammar School to future-focused and higher quality science education. The rooms are bright open spaces with a modern design that creates a university-style environment for the students to work in. The spacious bench layouts support collaboration among the students and comfortable group work. And above the workbenches, we have whiteboards that the students can use to record the results of their experiments and write analyses of them. The advanced display screens have several wonderful apps that encourage student engagement in science. Attached to our screens, we also have document cameras and microscopes, which are exceptionally useful in displaying prepared slides and when teachers carry out dissections in front of the class, and also for sharing students' work. This allows for collaboration to take place in the class and encourages rich discussion. All science lessons are conducted in the laboratories, and this allows for staff to be flexible and seamlessly switch between theory and practical work in order to best support the students' needs.